Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Karibuni tena watazamaji wangu. Thanks for joining this session. And today tutasoma mambo na circles, chords and tangents. Okay? Mostly a subtopic which is mainly on touching the length of a belt. So, this is my number and kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get other contents like this and other different contents also through my YouTube channel. I also have an Arabic session. If you want to watch them, just look at my playlist. Utapata Arabic sessions kibao, also including KCSE na kuna mocks papers. Okay, without further ado, this question was submitted by a student, okay, who I don't know his name. Okay, he submitted this question to me and said that he had a problem with such question. So you as a viewer, ikiwa uko na shida na swali fulani, just andika kwenye comment section. Kama ni KCSE question, kama ni nini, you just write on the comment section. If you have a problem with a certain topic, you can also write on that comment section. Also, this is my number. So without further ado, let's start. So the question says, the figure below shows two pulleys with centers A and B of radii 9 cm and 6 cm respectively. C and D are contact points of the belt with the pulleys. The distance between the centers of the two pulleys, which is from A to B, is 50 cm. A belt is tied around the two pulleys. The belt is this one. Okay, the belt is this one. Around the two pulleys as shown. So this is the whole belt. So kama baiskeli hivi. Haya. The question says calculate question A, length DC. DC is from here to here, and do not misjudge and think that AB is just the same as DC. It's very wrong. So question B, the length of arc DE. Question C, the length of arc CF. DE ni hii na CF ni hii, and the total length of the belt. Waona kila question is connected to another. So without this, okay, without this you can't get the length of the belt. Also without this and this you can't find the length of the belt, because the length of the belt is brought upon by this arc DE plus the these two lengths DC and EF, which are the same, plus the arc CF. Okay, so let us start solving this question. Wacha tujaribu. So AB si sawa na DC. Sawa, this is something that you should know. But let's say ukichora a parallel line of DC hapo kwa karibu na AB. So DC a parallel line, ukichora parallel line yake utaona iko hivi. Okay, iko hivi yani. So this is the parallel line. So this is the parallel line. Na hata ukiona hapa it gives you a rectangular shape. So hapa 90 a rectangle, angle zake each angle ni 90. So this DC, if you want to find out, paka utafute angle side this one. Length, let's say labda ni x. So length xb maybe. So now this length xb, for you to get it, how do you get it? Lazima uipate through this triangle and through Pythagoras theorem. Ukiona hiyo triangle vizuri, the triangle should be like this. Okay, where your hypotenuse hii ndo 90 degrees, ambayo ni hii. Your x labda ni hapa, x ni imaginary point which I created, na d yako si muhimu, hii a yako ndo muhimu. A yako iko hapa na b iko hapa. Sawa paka hapa. Nadhani tushafahamiana. Okay, so you know from A to B ni 50, sio? Ni 50 cm. Na kutoka x paka A, kumbuka D paka A ni 9 cm, na hapa C paka B ni 6 cm. For you to get hii XA, wachukua tu 9 minus 6 ambao ni itakupa ngapi? 3 cm. So therefore hapa ni 6 cm, 3 cm, ndo maana ya kupa 9 cm yote, lakini hii tu, hii part ni 3 cm. So hii ni 3 cm. xb ama hii part, sorry, this part xb which is equal to this dc ndo part ambayo tutatafuta, hatujui. Sawa, so hatujui, let's say ni x. So this is a Pythagoras theorem situation, and if you want to find out x, you'll use c squared, which is 50 squared, minus b squared, which is 3 squared, and the answer that you'll get afterwards, after subtracting, you'll square root it. Sawa, utasubtract hizi mbili, square root ya kwanza, square root ya pili, alafu square ya kwanza, square ya pili, subtract 2, alafu square root it. So 50 squared, chukua calculator yako, 50 squared minus 3 squared, sawa, square root ya hiyo answer itanipa a number which is just nearer to 50, which is 49.91 centimeter. Fahimna? Sawa, mpaka hapo tumeelewana. Sasa tushamaliza na the length of DC. Another situation utapata hii sasa, the length of arc DE, the length of this arc, and this is something that I should teach right now. For you to get any length of this arc, you first need to find out, what do you need to find out? You need to find out this angle, and for you to get the length of this arc also, you need to find out this angle. So, which is also very easy. For you to find out this angle, hapa lazima tupewe hapa na hapa. Sawa, sababu is the same tu, hata nikichora hii kitu bado ni itanipa ile triangle. Utaona itanipa ile triangle, ile right angle triangle. So ile angle utakaopata hapa baadaye uta times na 2. Hiyo angle iko wapi kwa hii triangle? True, hiyo angle iko hapa kwa hiyo triangle. So you finding out this angle. So let me draw this triangle. So hii angle ndo muhimu hapa, tayari wajua ni 3 cm, hapa wajua ni 50 cm. So let's find out this angle, and for us to find out this angle, what do you need to do? Tutatumia cos. Ukitaka waweza tumia sin, but let me just use cos. Okay, let me just use cos because I like it. So cos alpha equal to cos which is toa equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Your adjacent is 3 over hypotenuse 50. So theta is given by cos inverse of 3 over 50. So your theta is equal to, just take your calculator, take cos inverse of a fraction, which is 3 and out of 50, and the answer on your calculator would give you 86.56. So the answer should give you 86.56 degrees. But now that is not your answer. Your answer should be revolved in finding the arc DE, and in finding the arc lazima tupate ile angle full. Kumbuka tumpata tu ile angle kidogo to this section peke yake, na tumeambiwa tutafute the whole angle. So I'll times by 2. Okay, I'll times by 2, baada nisha times na 2 nichukue hiyo answer 86.56 times 2 itanipa answer ya hiyo angle yote 173.12 degrees. Lakini sikizeni vizuri, hii angle haitusaidii kupata the length of this arc, itatusaidia kupata the length of this arc. Sisi tunataka kupata hii arc ya nje. So for us to find out this arc lazima tupate angle ambayo iko nje. Na tutapata vipi? Tutachukua hiyo 360, sawa, minus hiyo 173.12, yani 360 minus ile angle ambayo iko ndani, so 173.12. So just take your calculator. So 360 minus your answer, it should give you 186. Okay, 186.88 degrees. Sawa, hii ndo angle ambayo tutatumia kupata arc. The length of an arc is given by theta over 360 2 pi r, which is your theta right now ushajua ni 186.88. Okay, 186.88 divide by 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times your r, which is 9. Okay, remember your r is 9, not that 3. So take your answer, divide by 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 9. The answer that you'll get will be 29.37 centimeter. So the length of arc DE tayari tushapata. The length of arc CF now, which is this one. Now for this length you have to find out this angle, na nimesema pale narejelea tena, angle ambayo iko hapa, hii hapa iko sawa na hii angle ambayo iko hapa. So angle ya hapa tulipata ni ngapi? Ni 173.12. So you'll use this angle to find out the length, na ni the same formula, theta, which is 173.12 divided by 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times your radius C9 ni 6. So times 6, 173.12 divided by 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6. And the answer should give you 18.14 centimeter. 18.14 centimeter. So tushapata the length of arc CF. Now the last question is the total length of the belt, and for you to find out the total length of the belt, also very easy. You take your DC, the length of DC, okay? So the length of DC plus the length of EF, which is just equal to ile DC, plus DE plus CF. Sawa, ndio maana wa calculate stepwise. DC na EF ni ile tuliyopata 49.91 times 2 plus 29.37 plus 18.14 equal to, so times 49.191 times 2 plus 29.37 plus 18.14, and it should give you answer which is equivalent to 147.33 centimeter. Okay, so mpaka hapa tumeelewana. 2 marks, 3 marks, 10 marks za bure. So kindly comments hapo chini kama ukiona hii font iko yani kubwa sana, you can tell me, lakini ukiona iko size also tell me. So ikiwa bado unataka niendelee na hii font, just say I want you to use this font on the comment section. So وهذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته, and don't forget to subscribe. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.